Hi guys! The Christmas is really around the corner, including my house. How are you enjoying it? There was a Christmas party at my girls' nursery school today, and I'd like to share the party story in this episode. The little Santas in the school are so adorable that your heart might get hurt. So, you will see how a Korean Christmas party in a nursery goes, and also you will learn some related expressions like 초대장, 알림장, and 재롱잔치 in this video. Usually, I say things like if you're interested in or curious about blah 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 at this point, but today I'd like to say just keep on watching for the crazy cuteness of the baby Santas from Korea. Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean. You must be enjoying the Christmas vibes around you by now, right? And as for me, I got this invitation card from my girls' nursery school. How cute! Would you like to come with me? So, can you read what's written on it by the way? Santa, 잔치, 초대장, which literally means Santa party invitation card. So, this is an invitation card to the Santa party in the school, which is 초대장, 초대장 in Korean. And even if it called this party as Santa party in this case, usually we call this type of event held in nursery or preschool 재롱잔치. 재롱잔치 in Korean. Originally, 재롱 means the cute actions, reactions, or what the pure kids say which make people laugh and smile. And 잔치 indicates any party or event. But when we say 재롱잔치 together, it means a children's kids talent show inviting their parents to watch and enjoy. And also there is a notice here along with the 초대장, which is 안내문, 안내문 in Korean. So, according to this 안내문, what I need to do as a parent for the event is number 1, to prepare a gift that Santa would hand over to my girl, and number 2, to prepare a food on the event day. Alright, let's get started. So, this is what I bought earlier as the gift for my girl, and I wrapped it with napkins. Can you see that? Even with this love letter for the girl. But later, I changed my mind to wrap it again because I didn't want it to be the ugliest gift from the Santa. It's way better, right? And I will secretly hand it over to the teacher so that it can be delivered safely to the Santa. What's next? It's time for food thing. What should I do? When I'm not that confident at cooking, I should buy something for others rather than cooking so that they don't have to stand my food, right? What a generous idea it is. So, I chose muffins from a market. And because it's for Christmas event, I should transform them into the proper end year stuff. So here I go, preparing toppers, putting cheese cream on top, also putting colorful snowflakes on top of the top. Ta-da! How do you like it? You know what? I even purchased this red clothes because it is a Christmas event. I need to show my excited feelings to others, don't I? And when the situation is like this, going shopping was the right answer. So, do I look proper? Anyway, as I'm ready, now let's jump into the party right now. Are you ready to watch the crazy cute baby Santas? Oh my gosh, their cuteness is killing me, my heart. And mine is over there, trying to escape from the red Santa outfit. Yes, that's who you are. Free spirit. Even success. Congratulations! I think she feels weird now as she doesn't understand what's really going on here. That's fine. Let's just enjoy, girl. So, this is what's really happening in a 재롱잔치. They usually dance along with songs, and she is the only 1-year-old among those dancers, the youngest one. So, I'm curious what will happen. So, as you are invited to this party too, let's watch how cute Korean little Santas are.
당신을 좋아해 당신을 좋아해 연재야 그대 없이는 못 연재 잘하잖아 나 혼자서는 못 살아 헤어져서는 못 살아 와 우리 연재가 제일 잘했었는데 배꼽 인사 아니 감사합니다 잠시만요.
And here goes an encore. I guess she feels better now. Just the thing is, she doesn't follow any specific dance moves. Being creative. Whatever. I'm proud of you, honey. Oh, look at that. It's him. Can you notice who is here from the nose bar? Anyway, do you know what I saw? He got into this house from the front door. How modern he is. And when it was finally Hannah's turn to take the gift, she cried. She doesn't want him. And when the horse Santa asked her whether she still wants the gift,
받을 거야, 그치?
she rejected his offer. And when he gave it to her anyway, she cried out loud. Sorry, Santa. She didn't mean to hurt you. Finally, it's time to enjoy the food we brought and talk. And here is Hanu enjoying the gift from Santa. Thank you everyone for watching and Merry Christmas! Bye!